Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Friday. And let's see what if we can end up this week with a bang of some sort. Guys, so not sure where we're going today. Got a suspicion we want to go up. We're pretty much stuck here. We're very deep in this push down, so we could I'm going to take all of this off because we've done the damage. I'm going to take this off, this off. This is still there, but I'm going to take it all off. I'll just have a clear view here. Alright, so we've got all of this waiting for us here. And then over here, this is just a 15-minute. We've got these equal highs right here, which is something that stands out for me for possible liquidity grab. Then this area here is also good liquidity. Because of this fair value gap. This right here. Alright, so that's what we have on the 15-minute. Obviously, we want to see how it all reflects on the 1-minute. Lots of liquidity. So I'm going to keep those major liquidity areas there for us. Right, so 1 minute. This could be the push that we want to see up to that area. Lots of liquidity down here as well. Yeah, I agree. So I'm gonna sit on my hands, let this first bit play out, and then obviously see where we are. Okay, so view up is pretty flat here. This gap here just got inversed, so gotta keep yeah, I'm just gonna sit and wait for this. I just want to look at something quickly. So the one thing that's confusing on this 15-minute in CFDs, this high is higher than this one. That may look like diversion. Divergence. And here it hasn't taken that high, so we'll have to see. Right, so I'm not gonna, I don't have a clear direction yet, so it does, the H1 does look bullish. And then the 15 minute looks bearish. Same with the 1 minute, yes. So. Well, this first 15 minutes always important, so. On the 1 minute, we've got liquidity down here, obviously equal highs there. So let's see which way we swing this. For the H1, I just want to look at something quickly on the H1, yeah. Sorry, this is not H1 that I'm on. Which is the H1. So we've got this little gap here. And this is most probably going to line up with H1 fair value gap. I'm just wondering if this is going to line up with the pullback. Yeah. So if we want to go higher, we're most probably going to come down to this area. We could come down to this area, put it that way, and then bounce. But let's see, hopefully we get a nice entry setup. In this case, I would like to see, targeting down here, I would like to see this. I would like to see the range get set, the blue line, do whatever it needs to do, price go up, pin through the high or whatever, and make this blue line also come up, and then close below that. Keep the view up above the blue line, and then enter here, stop there, and then try to target lower down. But that is if we're in this condition. We could completely turn around and go up, or just drop straight down. let's see. I mean, we still got 10 candles to form in this box, so no need to rush. What do you guys think? Do you think we're going to pump up here or drop first? Hey guys, just mind my voice. I've got a little bit of flu here. So that's why I sound like a little frog. Ta-ta-ta-ta. Okay. If this is the range and it if price stays in this range where it is now, that would be great if we can stay here for 15 minutes. And then pop up and come down and close below this blue line. Then that would be a nice entry to go short for me. But let's see. If I look at the H1, we are bullish. So it looks like we want to go higher, but on the H1, we've got the this area here. For price to pop higher, we want to go pull back into the zone. That's 50% of that range. And then we want to see if we want to go higher to this equal highs, even those equal highs there. But then, looking at a 15-minute, we pretty, let me just get there. We pretty sideways on the 15-minute. I mean, we've gone up, down, up. I just said on the CFDs, this is a high high. That's divergence for me. But on futures, we haven't made high highs. So that's just equal highs there. So it all depends. I mean, we can pop up here straight up and come back down later. But I'm just saying on this 1 minute, for me to target this area here, because I know we want to go lower before we go higher. I mean, this thing can just run up. To set a range for the first 15 minutes. The VWAP, overnight VWAP, is above the range. The blue line is sloping up. if we get a pop out of this range after the 15-minute has obviously printed itself, and then pull back and close below that VWAP, I'm going to look for a short to go to at least the opposite of this 15 or this opening range. So but I mean, what I wanted, what the market will do is obviously not going to be the same thing. So all I said was, the market to get stuck in this range is good till we get out of the first 15. So I'm gonna try, if we run this high and give me a short, I'm gonna take the short. If that's a successful trade, then I don't know if I'm gonna take any further trades. So we'll see. After this candle is two more candles, then it's the opening range. Nice big opening range. See if we can see. Let's see if we can get price back up. Come on. Take us back up. Okay, this is the last candle. After this candle, I want to see price come up here, break this area and come back. And if this is the VWAP, close below, enter there, stop there, and then target something lower. Oh gosh. Hate it when this happens. We break out the bottom first, which is not good. I mean, I say it's not good, it's not preferable, because the idea is to trap people high, long and then go down. But guess let's see. Oh gosh. All right, so if we really look at this, we created this fair value gap, right? We play out of it, we deliver from it. Then what we did is we inverse this gap. Right here, which is a IVG. So in theory, this was a entry. You stop there and then try to get lower here. All right, so now it's just looks like a little bit of a consolidation, yeah. So Ah, gosh. Okay. I mean, there's no news, so I'm not sure what the distortion is here. Time holding price where it is now. Maybe it waits for 10 o'clock. Okay, so macro time, we're in the macro time anyways. Okay, let's see if this is gonna move up. Also on the CFDs, this is one candle like a fair value gap, which is quite confusing as to why. It's almost like there's an extra candle. Not fully matching. So CFD 41 candle starts up here and this one starts down here. A little bit of a dead price action. I thought you will get even a little bit of a reaction today, but seems like nothing. But let's see. Mm-hmm. 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 Right, well, let's wait and see. Wait and see. That's all we can do, really. Can't jump into anything. I saw a video, a guy using the 30-minute. I mean, you got the 15 minutes, get the first 30 minutes, and then you get the first hour, 9:30 to 10:30, which is the initial balance range or something. So it depends on how you want to use it. You can use all of them, but then you got to know all the stats about them. Right, so someone is long. From which level did you go long? Okay, from 359. 359. Huh? Are you 359? Oh, okay, so you took a long, pretty much, yeah, okay. And where do you target the opposite of this range? And where would you put your stop? So some people trade the opening range when there's a false break, and you can either enter here and take that distance as a stop loss and target the above, that's a 2R, or you break above here, test it, enter, stop here, target there. Right, so as long as playing out nicely, that's a nice outside bar. Okay, 15 points. All right, well, good. That's a good at least 15 points, even if you just take it from. I mean, that's already a good boost. All right, so there we go. Maybe we set up to go higher. Yeah. What do you guys think? I'm looking at this V, run this low, inverse this gap here. That one there. And then you're going to look entries like this right there. So two things going to happen. We're going to come down to this area, which is this fairly gap here, where it overlaps there. We're either going to come down, bounce there to go higher, or we're going to slice through to go lower. Great work. Great work. Okay, equal highs there. So let's see if we can get there. Uh, ever tried gold? No, not really. Well, I can look at it. Hey guys, hi Steve. Never. Yeah, maybe I should look at gold sometime. But I'm a NASDAQ trader for now. I mean, I do think people has done well on gold lately. So right, let's see if we can get up there. Hey, hi guys. As long as you make money this week and you end it off green, that's good. It's always good. So all you gotta do is focus on making money. Right. Yep, that's it. Yeah, and you gotta find the thing that you resonate with the best, that you can see, and all that stuff. Great work. I'm not that fortunate yet, but I do end, not on every day green day, but every month a green month. Do you guys think we're going to get to those equal highs? Trying to remember what this was. So I'm long on my prop account, targeting that high there. So hopefully we get it. Oh gosh, soybeans. A lot of soybeans in here are still swinging some, but largely EQ. Yeah, before NQ, I was EU, a GU trader, a pound dollar trader. I actually enjoyed GU. The bottom end of that fair value gap could be a nice entry for a long, because that's where the 50% lies, right there at the bottom. Nice to get a bounce here. It'd really be good to see some sort of momentum behind the bounce here. All right, so we're around an end of 2209. The massive campaign trade. I think that time I was around, but not YouTubing or just trading my own stuff, my own money. The current time frame is up here to 1 minute. Like to see the bounce. Yeah, the market is very slow, but this would be a good place to bounce for us to take us higher, or at least to those equal highs, which would be nice. See if we can get there. See if we can actually just make it a round number. And then we'll put our stop. I'm late in this trade, so don't worry. See if we can get there. That's all we want to see. Should we get through that high there? I used to know someone on the agricultural market was trading there. I used to trade futures and options. Not trade it, be like the clearinghouse for Standard Bank and RMB. Standard Bank mainly. RMB, I did script lending. Just give us that little bit more to the high, to the high. Keep going. So all you want is just take that high. So we're closing above this high, which is good. I'll just hope we can follow through here. I'm not a agricultural trader, but I think if you follow those cycles and stuff, I think there's a lot of work that goes in behind the scenes as well for imports and exports and those things. But interesting. Come on, give us that push up. Come on. Do the bounce. Do the bounce. Do the bounce. Or will it be one of those days where you're going to turn around at liquidity and go back down? What will it be? Just one last push up. Yes, that's what we want. Stop struggling like that and just go for it. Just give it to us. Don't stop. Oh gosh. Keep going. Keep going. Mm-hmm. Ah, Bryce, you are just hilarious. You gotta be kidding me. You got to be kidding me, guys. What is up with Bryce? Why is it such a struggle? Why? What is going on? Gosh, gosh. Yeah, it's probably this. Taking that off, taking that off. Can't believe we're going to make a U-turn here. So I'm out of my trade, my prop trade at break even. Actually not going to chase this price, so if it's not going to give me anything, I guess it is what it is. As long as I keep going. Alright. I mean, we inverse this now, so who knows? Are we going down? That's that 15-minute IVG from there. Breaking structure here, divergence there, shifting down. I'm wondering, we're going to test that to go lower here. Or we're going to bounce around. Looks like it's going to... Right, so can you... Well, I did label my live stream yesterday not to trade when you're sick. So I had one trade on. It was a long, got stopped out here at break even. So maybe I'm not touching anything else. Otherwise, what's the point of telling people not to trade when you're sick? Because now, I mean, there's liquidity up there. This is telling me a short. But 15 minutes is long. This could be a pullback to go continue in that IVG area. Talking about this. Gosh. This area, could it... I mean, will it create a new fair value gap to test in there before they go higher? Or what's the story? Okay, but for now I'm just gonna chill then. If this was also divergence, I would have probably looked for a long. But I don't think... I don't know. Gosh, guys, I really don't know. Alright. Looks like it wants to pump up here. I also don't see any engulfing, bullish engulfings to take along. So yeah, let's see what 1030 does. So we had a nice reversal or turnaround down here. 10 a.m. We haven't tested that fair value gap yet. That's why I was also thinking maybe we want to come down here and take. This is probably going to be at the range. That's 50% right there. Boom, boom. One thing I need to be more focused on, if it's not clear, I see a lot of things, conflicting things, then I must just not do anything. And it also looks like momentum's drying up to the upside here. I mean, it's bullish, but maybe we still push higher. And I don't feel like chasing anything today, so if it's gonna be break even, then I guess it's break even. Still up for the week though, so that's fine. The other things, I had a plan for a trade after this for this opening range. It did not realize, so I guess that's it. Down. Um, Come on, just close that thing. All right, so price pretty much stuck. I can tell you guys now, price most probably will go up to those equal highs. I just don't think I've got the stamina to endure what's happening now. That's probably why I just collapse it. Oh, wait, you said 10:30 is a good? 10:30 was this candle, it's an up candle. Are we talking about this fair value gap up here? Just to show you guys something I'm also always watching. So this is a pullback and we follow through. This is a pullback, no follow through. So when these connect to momentum up here, you want to see at least, highs gets broken. But if it starts doing this and that moves up, that tells me something and it starts pointing down. So maybe this wants to roll over or something. I don't know. But it's not following through. So as you guys can see, this little gap here, it's like getting inversed a million times as well. So So how would you see this as pullback? I mean, one and another one down, if you say. I mean, let's see what this does now. Still in this little gap here. Uh, uh, we still, let's see. Mm-hmm. This is also a H1 fair value gap. This is where price is currently stuck. So we've inversed the 15-minute down here. Now there's a 1 hour up here as well. This could be the bounce here. I don't know. Don't know. Only reason is, looks like that's a break of structure there. This could be the pullback to bounce higher. But then this consolidation, we haven't run this low. Be nice to see a pin through there, push up, and then test to go higher. Okay, got you on that. $5.44. Resistance. I thought this is all support. Because we broke through that. Do, 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 do. Gosh. Um, what's it gonna be, NASDAQ? What's it gonna be? Got these little equal lows here now. These ones. So maybe we do this. Or maybe, because today we run it. Now what? Are we going to close below it or can it dump here? Right, so it looks like I mean, if we close below it, we might come back down here. Right, so we didn't close below it, so maybe we bounce. Do 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 do. Gosh, okay. Now we literally consolidate around the highs and the lows. So I hope we're not going to continue with this consolidate and actually move somewhere. I mean, I don't have a trade on, but just for the sake of price. So let's see. Right, so now we're probably going to get down to this this area, right? Like we've marked it out before, 50%. Sorry, which is right there, into that little gray block there. That's where it was here. We just never did it. So maybe we bounced there. I don't know. Yep, one push and then up. But this looks strong. If we slice through this, we might even go down here. this could go sideways here and then only go down. I don't know. See, that's the gray area that I've marked out there. That's a good place to buy. And that's just an overlapping Beverly Gap and inverse. If you're on the right side of the market. So is this like your start of the wave, second wave, third wave? Is the second wave normally longer than the third one? Guys, if I had popcorn, I would enjoy popcorn and some water watching this price because I'm not. So I know, Chase, you had your trades early, so that was good. I'm not gonna try this here. I'm gonna leave it untouched. What time is this IPO? Has it already been? Yeah, who knows these days what's affecting what? I mean, oh, is it out already? Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, so it looks like we're inversing this now. And then maybe we come back down. And the funny thing is, remember that trade I was talking about? It's probably here. Let's see if it wants to run this opening range low again. Mhm. Du-du. Right, we're going into the macro now in 40 seconds. What's it gonna be? Testing this IFGs there. Oh, gosh. No. Can't trust this market right now. Just can't. I don't know, guys. Psychological pain, that's what it is. Can you believe it? Are we doing what? I mean, really. Okay, if you want to push, push now. Run those highs now. Push. So close. Oh gosh. Just trading, guys. Trading is killing us. Why would you not take those equal highs? What in the world is holding you back? Just pump it. Oh gosh. I mean, is it really that hard? Really? Push now. Push. Do it. Do it. You can do it. Quick one. Big one. Come on, you can do it. Just give it a push. It's like going to the gym. One more rep. One more rep. Oh gosh. What is it with price today? Up. Just take it. Oh gosh. It's like so close. So bloody close, guys. Push. Come on. One last push up. One last make my Friday. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You want to do it. You can do it. You want to do it. All you gotta do is rip up. Alright guys, if you haven't noticed, I'm long. And my TP is right above that high. Right there. Just in case we U-turn before the equal highs, and now we like teasing me right there. I just need a little pop, that's all. Almost. Come on, you can do the pop. Snap, crackle, and pop. That's painful, guys. That is so painful. Why would it not just do it? Oh, this is insane. Have you ever seen something like this? Guys, I'm out of my trade. Thank gosh. That was the most painful thing I've looked at. But anyways, equal highs. It was holding it for some reason. Not sure why. Um, and it's literally just touching it now. I think the good thing here is, guys. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's most probably gonna shoot through and then just rocket up there or something. Guys, just a reminder, there's no PM session today. I'm taking a early bed again. Try to get rid of this flu. I will post, I'll do it now. I'll post the proper count there. It's a slow grind, but yeah, it's a slow grind. That's all I could say. But next week is a new week, and then we'll do better. We will do better. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna jump off. I'm gonna leave you guys. Have a great weekend. Be safe, and don't overtrade now. I'll see you guys on Monday. And thanks for joining me this week. Really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye.